Hey, how's it going? Welcome to this new video. Today, we're going to see how to download Zoom for laptops, which works for all types of operating systems. Whether you have a laptop that may not have Windows directly but instead has Linux, it can also be done. So, the first thing you need to do is go to the description of this video where you'll find the link I left here. It says, Download Zoom for laptops. Just wait for it to load, scroll down, and where it says, Download it now, click on the Click Here link. Once you click there, it will take you directly to the download page. Here we have different options. Many people might get confused because, with so many options, they think none of them are suitable for them. So we have different options depending on how you want to use the program. In this case, if you want general use, it's the Zoom client for meetings, which is the first one that appears, the very first one. And here we have something that shows 32 bits. We need to directly validate this on our PC to see if our PC is 32 bits or 64. Most PCs are 64-bit, so we select the 64-bit version. If it doesn't work for you, download the 32-bit version. You simply click download and wait for it to load. As you can see, it is downloading. I click download and I'm going to open it. If it tells you that it is a dangerous file or something like that, just allow it to download. Once it is downloaded, a prompt will appear asking if we allow this program to make changes. We click yes, and it will say installation completed successfully. Keep the client written and updated automatically. Yes. Now, to join a meeting, we simply click where it says Join a meeting, and here we will need to create our user. Let's say we enter our name, and we need to receive either the link or the meeting ID to be able to join, and that's it. We can now join directly. If we don't want it to be this way, what we do is click on Sign in. We have to create an account with Google or Facebook, and we can also create it through our email. Once we create it, we can log in without having to enter our name all the time. With our account created, we can log in and also join calls.